प्रीतोऽहं ते प्रजानाथा यत्ते अस्यावभृतं तपः ममैष कामभूतानां यद्भूयासुर्विभूतयः. My dear Prajapati Daksha, you perform extreme austerities for the welfare and growth of the world. My desire is also that everyone within the world be happy. I am therefore very pleased with you because you are endeavoring to fulfill my desire for the welfare of the entire world. I had met somebody. He said, I am very blessed, so I want to make other people also blessed and happy. What is he blessed with? They don't understand. Blessed doesn't mean some coins in the pocket. Blessed means in Krishna consciousness. Okay. Many people say, I want to do good. But before doing good, you should know what is good, no? Correct? Actually, that is also rare. Mostly people they can't do good to anybody. They only do good to themselves. Just like आपका Rotary Lion Club. ₹2 ka they will do work and ₹100 ka publicity. Seen that? In every city, they'll put one small bus stop and इतना बड़ा board. Club. देखा नहीं देखा आपने? And they meet together to drink. So people may say they are doing good. What good they do? Good means for them something material. Yeah? No idea of spiritual. Good. We are not saying it is bad, but it is not the real good. And definitely that will not attract Krishna's attention. Finally, our life is such or should be such that Krishna is pleased. True? Our life should be such or not? At the end of it, Krishna became pleased. Then your life is successful. Otherwise, you are useless. The business of the servant is to please the master. Jiva Krishna Das E Vishwash Karale Tara Dukha Nai. What Bhaktivinoda Thakur says? Except this, you are a servant of Krishna. You have no unhappiness after that. Okay, but what is the business of the servant? To make the Lord happy. Correct? We have here Radha Govinda deities. What is the business? To make the deities happy. We clean their temple, they become very happy. We cook for them, they become very happy. We serve their prasadam, they become very happy. We read about them, the books are there, they become very happy. So that is how we become happy. The Lord is pleased. True? You understand? It is not that it is whimsical, it is very logical. But people do not know how to make Lord happy. Instead of making Lord happy, what they are trying to do? Themselves happy, which is not possible. This is foolishness. If you want to make yourself happy, you should make Lord happy. Just like if you put water in the root of the tree, it goes to the leaves and branches. You cannot directly take a syringe and go. Is it practical? Practical है क्या? एक leaf में एक cell में syringe से जाके पानी डालोगे. That is the nonsense modern civilization. Everybody is trying to make himself happy. It is not possible. ऐसा तरीका काम. This तरीका is compared to आप खाना कान से खा रहे हो. होता है क्या? हर चीज़ का तरीका होता है ना. कान से खाना खाया जाता है क्या? हो सकता है चले जाएगा पेट में क्योंकि फाइनली सब कुछ कनेक्टेड है, लेकिन कितना प्रॉब्लम होगा उसमें है? नाक से खाना खा रहा है, ये तरीका है क्या? कैसे खाना? मुंह से खाया जाता है. करेक्ट? सो everybody wants to become happy, but you should know how to become happy. Now I want to be happy. That's okay, but you should know how to be happy. We have no problem with that. You want to become happy, but you should know how to become happy. This is the joke today. And then andhayathan upiniyamana. There are leaders, blind leaders, and they are cheating people. They show happiness, actually they are not happy. Society, we create different landmarks of happiness. And these people, on all these landmarks are landmarks of material happiness, not spiritual, in society, modern society. And there are people who are on so-called landmarks. It is supposed that they are happy. The big house is there, one Mercedes car is there. They think I'm wherever you go, people get up, I'm happy. Why you are cheating society like that? Why don't you be honest? Why don't you be honest and tell I am not happy? Then people will take to spiritual path. Because society, we create this big landmark. If you have this much money, if you have one big car and everybody gets up when you come, I am happy, and you don't honest and admit to public, I achieved this, but I am not happy, you are actually confusing the society. True or not? Confusing now. If I get a salary of 10 crore per month and I say I am happy, I am cheating the society. You're making some kind of show, some advertisement. Just like होता है ना वो क्रिकेट में एक बॉल फेंक दी आउट हो गया, ऐसे नाचते हैं जैसे बहुत खुशी है, एंड कमेंटेटर सो मच हैप्पीनेस है, सो मच हैप्पीनेस है, अपने को बेवकूफ़ बना रहा है, दूसरों को बेवकूफ़ बना रहा है. सच काइंड ऑफ लीडर्स वी आर हैविंग टुडे सोसाइटी. दे शुड बी ऑनेस्ट. Even though hundreds of crores are spent in the nonsense cricket match, nobody became happy. True? They should say at the end, such a waste it was. Then people will say, okay, I'll not watch cricket match. True or not? They should be honest. But they cheat the society. Andha yathande upaniyamana. So we have created so many landmarks of happiness in society. You should get a job, you should get married to a beautiful girl, you should produce hundreds of children, and then you should have, like this, and then you'll become happy. There is one Bhagavatam gives. These are all been analyzed very nicely. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. As much they cheat the society, truth is, pa, they do parishram. Pha, so much parishram. Nowadays, the main job for youth is IT. You ask any IT fellow, they have to do night outs very regularly. Because they're all servants. Instead of becoming servant of Krishna, they become servant of some person in America for whom they are writing program. For him, the day is in your night. So he will not get up for you. You have to get up for him. So many times they have to sit in the night to communicate with them. Whole night out. You're forced. Even when you join itself in the contract, they will say, you should be ready to make night outs. You cannot say, I cannot. Somebody was there. Aapka college ka hai. He joined one IT company and he said, I cannot make night out. They called him next day and showed the bond he has signed already. You have written. You don't know? You have written. Just imagine this. Such nonsense. And then they have to work like an animal actually. So they feel. Pa means phena, so much. Phena means just like घोड़े का नहीं होता, ज़्यादा वो झाग निकलने लगता है. ऐसी हालत फेना. ऐसा नाइट आउट कर रहे, फिर नींद नहीं आई, सो रहे. पा बा, इतना भी मेहनत करने बाद सच है, लोग में पब्लिक में नाटक करते हो, सच है बिफला, कुछ भी नहीं मिला संतुष्टि. आप पब्लिक को तो बेवकूफ़ बना सकते हो, लेकिन सत्य हमको मालूम है. शास्त्र में लिखा है सत्य, मछली जमीन में खुश नहीं हो सकती जितना भी नाटक कर लो. करेक्ट? तो आध्यात्मिक जीवन के बिना आप खुश नहीं हो सकते. बीफला मीन्स वेस्ट. है ना? यह है मेटेरियल सोसाइटी का एग्जाम्पल. पा अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ. फा समझ आ गया? पा क्या है? परिश्रम. गधों की तरह मेहनत करो, एक गधे की तरह लगे रहो. हाँ, फा इतनी मेहनत करो, नाइट आउट करो, कभी कभी 20 घंटे काम करो, कभी कभी कंटिन्यूस. नेक्स्ट शिफ्ट वाला आदमी नहीं आया, कंटिन्यू करो. होता है ना ऐसा? बस झाग निकल जाए मुंह से, मतलब कमर दर्द हो रही है, सिर दर्द हो रहा है, बैठे रहो. उसके बाद कोई फ़ायदा नहीं. इतना मेहनत करके भी कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं. बी फला, कोई संतुष्टि नहीं मिली. देन भा मतलब भाया. किस चीज़ का भय? सब कुछ जाने वाला है. इतनी मेहनत करके कुछ लेके आया, एक आदमी आएगा रात को उठा के भाग जाएगा. करेक्ट? कितना लोग, यहाँ भी चोरी शुरू हो गया. मैंगलोर में भी ध्यान रखना. पहले तो मैंगलोर और गोवा पूरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में लोग घर खुला रखते थे, कोई चोरी था ही नहीं था. अब धीरे धीरे सब आने लग गया इधर, है ना? कितने लोगों का होता है. यहाँ तो क्या है कि घर टाइल से बनते हैं, बहुत ईजी है चोरी करना. ऊपर कूदो, टाइल निकाल के अंदर चले जाओ. कितने घर में चोरी होता है इधर ऐसे, पता है? घर में दरवाजा होता तो ताला, चलो ताले को क्यों देखना, ऊपर चढ़ जाओ और टाइल को निकालो, 1 2 घुसो, काम करो, भाग जाओ. कितने घर में ऐसे चोरी होता है. तो भाया इतनी मेहनत करा, झाग भी निकला मुंह से, कोई संतोष नहीं हुआ, चलो कुछ एक टीवी लाया, एक फ्रिज लाया, कुछ मेरे अलमारी में कुछ पैसा रखा, एक आएगा चोर उठा के सब भग जाएगा। भय, रात को कौन सोता है शांति से? भय, सारे दरवाजे बंद करो, भय, कोई आ तो नहीं रहा, कौन आ गया, कोई आवाज़ आई रात को, उठ के लोग देखते हैं ना कौन आया, भय भय भय। और ऊपर से शरीर में कुछ भी एक चीज़ हिल जाना चाहिए कुछ, और भय, नींद नहीं आएगी आपको पूरी रात, पूरा दर्द, भयंकर दर्द, भय कर, कुछ भी हो सकता है क्योंकि डर लगा रहता है हमेशा, कुछ भी हो सकता है। पदम पदम यत विपदम न तेषां, अरे मूर्ख, मेहनत कर रहे हो ऐसी जगह में जहाँ एक सेकंड में सब कुछ जा सकता है। देन उसके बाद क्या होता है नेक्स्ट? मृत्यु। माँ मीन्स मृत्यु, सब कुछ खत्म। ऐसे पागल लोग। तो दुनिया में तुम नाटक दिखा लो, हम तो ब्लेसेड हैं, सच तो हमको दिख रहा है, किधर हो? तो दुनिया में क्या तुम अच्छा कर सकते हो? व्हाट गुड यू कैन डू? यू शुड फर्स्ट नो व्हाट इज गुड, देन यू कैन डू गुड। किसी को कोई बीमारी है एंड ही हैज बीन रेस्ट्रिक्टेड फ्रॉम सम फूड, यू गिव हिम द फूड, इट इज नॉट गुड, यू आर डिस्ट्रॉइंग हिम एक्चुअली। ठीक है? सिमिलरली से सो कॉल्ड द साइंटिस्ट, सेम थिंग। व्हाट आर दे डूइंग? मोबाइल है आपका, 2 मिलीमीटर का थिन बना देंगे, इतना पतला बना देंगे कि उससे तुम शेव कर लो। तो कुछ और काम नहीं क्या तुम लोगों के पास? उससे करेगा क्या? व्हाट इज द कंटेंट पर्सन विल डू? होल्ड ए total sense gratification. Correct? You can create an instrument, but what the person will do with the instrument? Prajalpa. Prajalpa means his person is, that's why the difficulty. Say 10 years ago and today. I remember 10 years ago I used to go to some college, take a guest lecture, not even a course, just a guest lecture. That we are not body, we are spirit, soul, Lord is there. Atma becomes happy in only service to the Lord. That is the only way to Atma will become happy. I used to take a class like this and come back to Mangalore. Whichever the place may be, people on Sundays used to come all the way to meet. But 10 years now, things have changed. अब नहीं हो, क्यों? जैसे टाइम फ्री मिला, मोबाइल या लैपटॉप, फंसा हुआ आदमी फंसा रहता है। इस सिचुएशन इज नाउ वेरी वेरी मोर एंड मोर डेंजरस। पराभवस्तावदबोध जातम यावन न जिज्ञासा आत्म तत्वम। Whole life is a defeat. If the person is not inquire about the absolute truth. Okay? In fact, this question was asked in Bhagavatam by the sages. Please tell us, 6 question, याद करने हैं अभी, Sunday morning को exam होगा. What are the greatest good? अभी से शुरू कर लो. What is the greatest good? One of the questions is 6. And what is the Suta Goswami replies? Savai pumsa parah dharma yata bhakti adhokshaje ahituki aprithyata yayatma suprasiddhiti. The greatest good is that. What? Savai pumsa parah dharma. That is the greatest good for and the highest occupation. Dharma means not religion. Dharma does not mean faith. Dharma does not mean religion. Dharma means the occupation of the soul, occupation of an individual. Correct? Savai pumsa paraha dharma. What kind of dharma? Not kaitava dharma. Paraha dharma. Topmost dharma. Because second shloka in the first chapter of Bhagavatam, first canto, it is said kaitava dharma. So here it doesn't say kaitava means cheating religion. There are varieties of cheating religion. I described to you 6 kind of cheating religions. Upadharma, dharma, bhasa, vidharma. We are not talking about that. We are talking of paradharma. Paradharma is cheating religion. Para means doing others what you are not supposed to do. Other paro dharma. Savai pumsa paro dharma. That is the topmost religion, topmost occupation, to be correct myself. Correct? Savai pumsa paro dharma. Again to come on the word dharma. Dharma is translated not as religion or faith. Dharma means the nature of the soul. Sugar dharma is sweetness. Salt dharma is salt. Chili, pungent. Correct? Everything has a nature. What is the nature of the soul? Therefore, what should be the occupation of the soul? That is dharma. It has nothing to do with all the religions in the world today, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, nothing to do with that. Therefore, we are preaching all around the world. We are talking about paro dharma, then activities for the soul. Nothing to do with this body. All these religions are on the body. Thappa sir pe. I am this, I am this, I am this. Nothing he knows. Savai pumsa paro dharma, for human being, not for animals. Savai pumsaha, for human being, that is the topmost occupation. You cannot make this occupation for animals. चलो भाई परो धर्म शुरू करो, नहीं कर सकता. कर रहा है वो कुछ, but he cannot do paro dharma. Yata bhakti adhokshaje, that gives devotion to the Supreme Lord. Ahituki, it is causeless, without apratihata, without any break. Yayatma suprasidati, will give total satisfaction to the soul. Atma suprasidati, and your so-called good cannot do that. Like parents are trying to do good, no? Why it is it? Just like in America they used to joke, now it's in India. 100% children when they come to 22 years are drunkards today. What good they did the parents? Fools they are. They don't know how to benefit their child. Why produce children then? Actually exam होना चाहिए बच्चे से बच्चा पैदा करने से पहले. Otherwise not allowed to produce a child. It should not be allowed. ये कुत्ता बिल्ली की तरह बच्चे पैदा करके क्या फायदा है? Dogs, cats are also producing children. dozen में बनाते हैं, है ना? Then can they train? They know. भौंको हमारी तरह. Actually, it should not be allowed. Everything should have examination. You want to become a father? You want to get married? Examination. Marriage के पहले ही ले लो, फिर तो क्या control करोगे? You cannot get married without examination. What is the examination? You should know what is my duty and responsibility as a father and mother. And what is the duty and responsibility? I have to make my child happy. And I cannot make my child happy by throwing some coins. What today they do. Correct? I can make my child happy only if I make him a devotee of Krishna. Then only the child will become happy. True? And if I myself don't know that, how will I teach? So first take education. First become a devotee of Krishna. Then you can beget a child. Otherwise, like cats and dogs, beget children. Arjuna was very worried about such kind of thing. He says, Krishna, if all the parents die in this battlefield, which is going to happen, Varna Shankara population will come in this world. Varna Shankara means children who are not trained, good for nothing. You cannot put them in anything. You cannot give them an occupation of an intellectual. You cannot give them occupation of administrator. They are not administration of Vaishya, nothing. Actually, it is true today. Why in a society there is no genuine Brahmana? Genuine Brahmana means who knows Brahman. You will not find. There is no administrator, Kshatriya, who wants to give protection. Correct? Every day we hear unimaginable cruelty being done. You know? 16 or some 20 girls just burnt in iron cages, alive, burned. This news keeps coming from Syria. If there is a Kshatriya on earth, he can't hear this. He can't hear this. Next day, that's why we are saying, unfortunately, there is no Kshatriya. How can an innocent person be harmed and Kshatriya can keep quiet? There is no Kshatriya. Paradukha Dukhi, we feel bad, but we are not supposed to take arms. We see there is no Kshatriya. Correct? Next, Vaishya. Who is giving protection to the cows? There is soon time will come, you have to go to zoo to see cows. Just like we go to see tigers. है ना? गाय को देखने के लिए कोई देखा कभी मैंगलोर में गाय देखा कि रोड में कहीं देखा है ही नहीं. अभी वो थोड़ा टाइम आएगा, आपको पिल्लुकुला जाना पड़ेगा जहाँ पे वहाँ टाइगर है, एक में होगा गाय. ओ गाय होती थी, ऐसे होती थी. Then they will say dangerous. So like that, a very unfortunate situation in the society. So people do not know what is good. So good is to make them Krishna conscious. But you cannot become Krishna conscious unless you are freed from Maya. So how do I come out of Maya? Very easy. Devi esha gudumai mama maya durataya mam evye prapadante. Krishna says, just surrender to me. We say, I am not able to surrender. Begin the process of surrender. You cannot surrender in a second. It is possible theoretically to surrender in a second, but we are not so serious. To begin the process of surrender. Correct? Begin the process of surrender. What will happen? Definitely Krishna will help you. And Devi esha gudumai maya duratya mamai eva ye prapadyante maya meta tarantite. You will be saved from Maya and you will reach Krishna's lotus feet and your life will be successful and you will get real happiness. Srila Prabhupada ki, Bhagavad Gita ki.